We live in a world where the most powerful technology is the kind we never see. It's in the building that knows your name before you reach the door. It's the pharmacist who calls before you even realize there's a problem. And it's in the claims process that feels less like paperwork and more like someone actually listening. The companies rewriting the rules of their industry share a radical idea. The best technology doesn't announce itself. It simply works. Today, we go inside 4 organizations where innovation hides in plain sight, creating experiences so seamless you'd never know how much brilliance it took to make them feel effortless. Welcome to 11 Minutes Intersected. At MetroNational's Memorial City, Chief Technology Officer Dennis Hall has built his philosophy around a counterintuitive principle. The best technology is the kind people forget exists.
Seamless experience usually means people don't even notice the technology. They just know the experience and the technology is additive, and it just creates even better experience, but they're not focused on the technology.
For Dennis, this isn't abstract theory, it's personal. He lives, works, and plays within the very ecosystem he's building.
From a personal perspective, it means I live, work, play here, and this place knows me. As I navigate around the campus, I can access buildings without having to have multiple keys. I can go to restaurants and people know me. The personal high touch really makes a big city feel a lot smaller.
The measure of success isn't the sophistication of the system. It's whether people can imagine life without it.
In a lot of ways, the analogy I use is technology is like the referee in a football game. You only notice the bad ones. If the ship is running well and there's not a lot of complaints, that's a good thing. Some of the best projects I've been on where people are like, I can't imagine doing my job without this, right? Or I couldn't imagine having this experience without this technology.
In healthcare, complexity can be deadly. Every day, billions of prescriptions move through systems most patients never see. At EmpiRx Health, CEO Danny Sanchez has built something remarkable, a technology platform so powerful it makes human expertise shine brighter.
It's designed to paint the best possible picture so that pharmacists can serve kind of as a nexus to help the physician make the right decision for the patient. We don't prescribe anything for patients. All we do is take that information, place a phone call to the doc, and make a recommendation. And over 70% of the time, a physician will react to that and say, hey, thank you. That's great. I'm going to change that prescription.
Their proprietary platform clinically ingests everything from medical claims to lab values. Yet the patient never sees the algorithm. They see a pharmacist who understands their whole story.
We employ well over 60 frontline pharmacists. And I say that because it is unique. No other PBM does that. They're looking at what you're being prescribed. So we're best positioned to opine and then partner with the physician to say, hey doc, there's opportunity here to put Danny on a better medication.
The technology doesn't replace expertise, it amplifies it. The patient experiences a conversation, not a system. When someone files a claim, they're often in the middle of a life-changing moment. At Sedgwick, Sean Sophia understands that technology must serve the human reality, not complicate it.
Sedgwick handles 10 million plus claims a year. And so we're interacting with claimants that have a life-changing event, whether that be a pregnancy or a property loss or even an injury or an illness. And so we need to make sure that we're empathetic. Our technology ecosystem also needs to be able to support those claimants when they come in.
Their generative AI doesn't make decisions. It creates the conditions for better human outcomes.
Generative AI has the opportunity to really change the landscape of our industry. So an example of that is that we can give summarization of information on medical records so that our colleagues that are doing claims administration can easily access information in a summarized format across multiple documents. That saves them time so they can make more informed decisions to help our claimants when they have needs.
In construction, the question, "Where's my steel?" has haunted project managers for generations. At LeJeune Steel, CEO Shane Shipman decided to make that question obsolete.
There's been jobs that we have not participated in, but we've heard there's a scheduled delivery, it doesn't arrive, and the superintendent ends up calling the fabricator. "Where's my steel?" "Oh, it's in process." And then they send somebody to the shop and it's not even on the shop floor. I mean, it's a whole host of problems.
Their digital platform doesn't just track steel, it eliminates uncertainty altogether.
Fundamentally, we're just saying, hey, the minute you order a product from us, you're going to know where it is at any particular phase of the process. For everything from raw product to inventory management, all the way through our production facilities to, hey, I know that it's on a truck ready to go, or it's at paint, or it's being galvanized, and then, oh, where is it en route?
The customer doesn't marvel at the tracking system. They simply stop worrying, and that's the point. The invisible revolution isn't about fancy interfaces or impressive dashboards. It's about the absence of friction, the presence of understanding, and the quiet confidence that comes when systems work so well, we forget they're there at all. These companies have discovered something profound. The highest form of technological achievement isn't making people notice your innovation. It's making them forget they even struggled without it. In a world obsessed with the next big thing, the real revolution is happening invisibly. In every seamless moment, every answered question, every human connection made stronger by technology that knows when to step back. The best technology doesn't demand attention, it earns trust. And in earning that trust, it becomes something greater than innovation. It becomes indispensable.